Exterior angle theorem. It is the sum of the remote interior angles which is equal to the measure of the exterior angle. Now, let's take this triangle for example. The measure of angle U is the remote interior angle because it is on the inside of the triangle. Also, the angle measure of 50, which is T, is the remote interior angle. On the outside, we have 120, which is the exterior angle. Now, the exterior angle theorem states we're going to call this X. If we take X and we add that to 50, it is going to be equal to 120. Now, suppose we want to find out what the measure of angle U is. We're going to take 50 and subtract it from both sides. So X is going to be equal to 70. So the missing angle U is equal to 70 degrees.